Question. Suggest and justify the criteria adopted for the execution of vermicomposting. Answer. For the effective execution of vermicomposting, the criteria must focus on creating a hospitable environment for epigeic earthworms, surface dwellers, while managing the biological decomposition of organic waste. Below are the justified criteria adopted for a successful vermicomposting operation. 1. Selection of earthworm species. The primary criterion is choosing worms that are robust, have a high reproductive rate, and can tolerate a wide range of temperatures. Justification. Species like Eisenia fetida, red wiggler, or Eudrilus eugeniae, African nightcrawler, are preferred because they are surface dwellers that consume organic matter rapidly, unlike common garden worms that burrow deep and prefer soil over concentrated waste. 2. Physical environment, bedding material. Bedding provides the worms with a stable habitat and a source of carbon. It must be porous and absorbent. Justification. Materials like shredded cardboard, dried leaves, or coconut coir are used to maintain structural integrity. This prevents the waste from becoming a compacted, anaerobic mass, which would be lethal to the worms. 3. Moisture content, 60% to 80%. Maintaining the correct moisture level is perhaps the most critical operational criterion. Justification. Earthworms breathe through their skin. Therefore, the environment must be moist, similar to a wrung-out sponge. If the bedding is too dry, the worms will dehydrate. If it is waterlogged, oxygen is displaced, leading to anaerobic conditions and foul odors. 4. Carbon to nitrogen, C/N ratio. The balance between browns, carbon-rich, and greens, nitrogen-rich, ensures efficient microbial and worm activity. Justification. A target C/N ratio of approximately 25:1 is ideal. Excessive nitrogen, too many green scraps, leads to ammonia buildup and overheating, while excessive carbon slows down the decomposition process significantly. 5. Temperature control, 15 degrees C, 25 degrees C. The temperature of the vermicompost pile must be monitored to stay within the mesophilic range. Justification. Unlike traditional composting, which relies on high heat 55 degrees C plus to kill pathogens, vermicomposting is a cold process. High temperatures will kill the earthworms. Proper shading and heap size help maintain a stable, cooler environment. 6. Aeration and pH levels. The system must remain aerobic, and the pH should stay relatively neutral, 6.0 to 8.0. Justification. Aeration. Earthworms and aerobic bacteria require oxygen to survive and process waste efficiently. pH. Acidic conditions, often caused by too many citrus peels, can lead to sour, bins and drive worms away or cause protein stretch, sour crop, in the worms. Summary table of criteria. Criterion. Earthworm species. Eisenia fetida, high processing speed and resilience. Moisture 60%, 80%. Essential for worm respiration. pH 6.0, 8.0. Prevent skin irritation and mortality. C/N ratio 25:1:30. 1 balances energy and growth. Temperature 15:25. Prevents thermal stress and death.